Alright, I was really excited to get started and show this, so I put together a quick video. I've got most of the sound, the audio bits working for the suit, and I've got some of the early controls. I have to start up the Raspberry Pi program over here. I'm going to initialize the suit.
Mark 45 initialized. Mark 45 hardware interface initialized. Voice module initialized. Yes, sir.
Alright, I'm going to kill the lights so that you can see this a little better. Friday.
Yes, sir.
Suit.
Suit menu loaded.
Light up. Light up.
Lights on.
Friday. Friday. Friday.
Yes, sir.
Weapons.
Weapons menu loaded.
Friday.
Yes, sir.
Suit.
Suit menu loaded.
Stealth mode.
Lights off.
Friday.
Yes, sir.
Suit.
Suit menu loaded.
Lights on. Lights on.
Lights on.
Friday.
Yes, sir.
Power down.
Powering down.
Stealth mode. Suit.
Suit menu loaded.
Stealth mode.
Lights off.